Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. So it's just like a kind of slow start to the day. Had coffee, cuddled with Buster, watched a Hallmark movie, started another movie, and then James left to go help his son. And Buster and I are staying at home because we got to do some of that not so fun adult stuff like cleaning and doing a little bit of laundry. So doing that. Now all I have left to do is to strip my bed, put the clean sheets on, which are in the dryer, and sweep the floors, and it'll be done. Then I'm gonna get ready. But before I get ready, I may go to the car wash. I really need to go wash my car because James blew some of the stuff out in the garage out and it got on my car, and some of it has paint, and I went out there and wiped it off, but I'm really scared about it sticking. So I'm gonna go run through the car wash. I mean, it needs a bath anyway. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be getting ready in a little bit, and we're going to the Hank Aaron Stadium where you ride through and see the Christmas lights. My daughter and son-in-law Tyler are coming over. They're bringing Benson, and we're all gonna ride together. I think she's making us some hot chocolate, and I've made those little things that I made yesterday, those Rolo pretzel delights, and they are delightful, y'all. Trying to stay out of them because I want us to have plenty for tonight. So that's what's on tap for now. Got the tree on in the background, fire's on, Buster's in his bed all cozy and cute under his little Christmas blanket, and Mama's up cleaning. So let me get finished doing all that. Then I gotta go work on this face, y'all. I mean, it needs help. So I just wanted to get on here and say, hey, and welcome y'all back to Vlogmas Day 6, and I will touch base with y'all in just a little bit. All right, so Buster and I, we're going to wash my car, or go through the car wash, and I've also got to run by the pharmacy, pick up a prescription, and then we will get back home and wait for Daddy to get here, and my daughter and son-in-law. But it is a warm day here. I mean, it's really too warm for this flannel, but it should be okay tonight. It was chilly this morning, should get chilly tonight, so I'm just gonna be in the house till then. I'll have it off till I get home, till we go. So anyway, I got the house all clean, bed done, and really didn't have a whole lot to do around the house today, just tidying up, and went ahead and did all that. And I thought about it, I was gonna go do my car wash first so I could vacuum my car out, but then I got to thinking I have to run into the pharmacy. I have to go in because I've got to update some information, and I would be a hot nasty mess, and I've got to go today because he's out of a medication. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and get a shower and get dressed, and I'll just do the car wash today, and then I'll vacuum it out later. It's not too bad on the inside, but I mean, first world problems, right, y'all? So I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogmas. I'm having fun. I love spending time with y'all always, and I've got to get my hair done, these roots done. I really got to get it cut. It did okay today, but I've been having some issues with it, so it's time for it to be cut. And I want to go and spend some time with my granny and see her. Y'all, she makes some kind of little thing. I'm going to see if I can get her to make it. It's something with crackers and pecans. I don't know what it's called. I'm sure y'all know. But I thought if I can get the stuff and I can go spend the day with her and we can make that would be a fun video. And I know y'all miss seeing her, so I just got to get with her and see what's a good day and time and go spend some time with her. So she's already told my mama that she's going to have to be reintroduced to me because she hadn't seen me in so long. I feel so bad about it, but it's just hectic. Busy times, but I need to get better. Shame on me, because one day I'm gonna wish I had. I know, Y'all can't tell me anything that I haven't already said to myself and that I think. So, I know. So, without me just rambling on about a whole bunch of nothing, I'm just going to get off of here. I'm going to go to the car wash, pharmacy, and back home. And relax until this evening. So, that's what we're going to do. I'll touch base with you in a little bit. Done. Y'all, Buster does not like the car wash. He does not like it at all. All right, Lena, we gotta show him. Look, show him. Y'all, great minds think alike.
Oh, you're in flannel too.
Duh. Yeah, flannel. That shirt looks familiar to Lena. Where'd it come from?
You?
All right, so they just got here. I'm gonna help her.
No.
I'm gonna help her wrap a few gifts.
Benson, get out here.
Mama's gotta help her. I'm telling you, this kid, y'all, this kid. Anyway, I'm gonna help her wrap a few gifts, and then we're waiting for James to get out of the shower, and we're gonna head out. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm not really good.
What? You didn't lay them straight, so they were kind of like bent up. You didn't lay them flat.
I think I'm just gonna throw these away.
No, you're not. That was your first time. There's Benson. Hey, Benson.
This ain't food.
Benson. Benson. Are you excited? All right. 2 ray of sunshines, 2 Scrooges.
Who's the Scrooge?
Tyler and James. See, my humbug. Tyler, are you a Scrooge? Why?
Christmas music, please.
We're headed off. Hey, Benson. Hey. Benson.
Look at Donna.
Benson. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Lena. I can't handle all this excitement with our men.
Benson. No.
I sure am glad I made these Spanish for y'all.
Buster. Come here, Christmas lights show.
Benson.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down.
So Delana, he loved the lights tonight, didn't he? Benson, what you got in your mouth, son? What you... Mine's real well, don't he? He's got lots of energy pin up. It's a game now. All right, son, you go pass out. Benson. Benson.
Come on.
Benson.
Come on. Come on. Okay.
Wait.
He has been running laps the whole time we've been out there.
He does it, man. Every night.
He never runs that much.
He gets on the leash and he runs circles around me.
Buster, what you doing?
He never runs that
He's
much.
been watching that door the whole time he was out there.
Has he?
Yeah, you gonna pass out by the water?
Benson. Oh my gosh. So funny. Never dull. What have you, Benson? I don't want that angle. Benson.
Muscle.
Benson.
It's